Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular hair clippers, the TPOB Slime 2 and the GSKY hair clippers. We'll explore their features, pricing, and blade types to help you make an informed decision on which clipper suits your grooming needs best. Let's dive in. The TPOB Slime 2 is designed specifically for hair clipping, featuring a high-speed motor and DLC blades for precision cutting. In contrast, the GSKY hair clippers offer a complete grooming kit, including a hair clipper, trimmer, razor, and nose hair cutter, making it a versatile choice for various grooming needs. When it comes to pricing, the TPOB Slime 2 is priced at $59, making it an affordable option for those looking for a dedicated hair clipper. On the other hand, the GSKY hair clippers come at a premium price of $130, reflecting its comprehensive grooming capabilities. The TPOB Slime 2 features DLC blades, which are known for their sharpness and cooler performance during use. In contrast, the GSKY hair clippers utilize stainless steel blades, which offer durability and sharpness but may not provide the same cutting performance as DLC blades. In conclusion, choosing between the TPOB Slime 2 and the GSKY hair clippers ultimately depends on your grooming needs. If you're looking for a focused hair clipping solution, the TPOB is a great choice. However, if you prefer a comprehensive grooming kit, the GSKY is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.